Hi friends! Today we're going to be learning about representing numbers, decompositions as 10 ones, and some ones to find a hidden part. The vocabulary for this lesson: decompose. So we are going to decompose / decomposition, breaking teen numbers into smaller parts. Number bond. A diagram showing the whole in two parts that equal the whole. So we will have one big number, the sum of the addition, a question. So we will have two parts that will add up to give us the big number. 10 ones / 110, emphasizing that the one in teen numbers representing a group of 10. Hidden part / hidden number, the missing part of the teen number that we must figure out. Hi everyone. So our problem is 10 plus blank equals 15. So we know our total sum, our whole, for the part whole is going to be 15. Our known part is going to be 10. So we need to find this other number to give us 15. So with our given number that we have, we can use a base 10 block or stack 10 blocks on top of each other. As we can see, we have 15, 10 blocks I meant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks, and that is represented right here. And these blocks are base 10 blocks that have a value of 1. So we're going to count from 10 to give us the number 15. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So whenever we know the number, this number right here, or let's just say this number, we have 5, and this number is blank, we're going to take the number that we have and count up to the number that we need to give us the total. So we can demonstrate that again. We have 10 blocks right here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, to give us the total sum of 15. So for this equation, we have 8 plus blank equals 18. So we know that our whole is going to be 18. And our part that we know is 8. And we need to find the other part to equal 18. So we need to figure that out. So we can use a placemat for base 10 to figure out what this is. So far, we know that we have 8 plus blank equals 18. So what I can do is fill up my first chart with an orange to figure out that I have 8. So we know that. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to figure out this other number to bump me up to 18. So I'm going to use this other chart and fill it up until I get 18. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 to give me 18. I can also go 18 minus 8. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. And I'm going to bring down this 1 since I'm not subtracting anything in the 10th spot to give me 10. So that's how I can figure out the other number that I need to put right here to equal 10. And that will give me the answer, 8 plus 10 equals 18. So for our equation this time, we know that we have 1 plus a blank part equals 11. So 11 and 1 as our part. we have one other part, and we gotta find the other blank. So we can start at our point 11 right here. We need to get to this point 1 over here. So we are going to use our number line to try and figure out what we need to get to this other part. So we have 1 jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps to get to 11. So we can use this for various equations if we want to try to find the missing number, the missing part, we could say, because we have one part, we just need to find the other part to equal the whole. So we have 10 jumps in between that. We could also do 11 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 0 for the ones. And then we're going to drop down this 1 because we have nothing in the 10 spot for right here. So that will give us our answer for 10. So 1 plus 10 equals 11. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have learned a lot today and know how to decompose numbers from team numbers. Our resources are from Engage New York, Module 5, Lesson 21, and Math Vocab Cards by the Math Learning Center. This was created by Marissa Williams.